Hello guys, welcome to Fintech Academy YouTube channel, the only channel where you get a professional and advanced free tutorial course for a professional web development and for those who aim to acquire new skill in technology, in building web application and mobile app. This is your right channel, and we upload videos regularly that you can use to learn these skills for yourself. So in today's video, we are going to walk you through how to create a professional web app or mobile application. This is a new series, and this video have all you need from basic, intermediate to an advanced level. Okay, so we'll start a new project from start to the end. So you'll see how this the whole process is going to go through. So you're able to learn from this course, and it's totally free. So we're going to be teaching you how to develop professional web app with PHP in this step-by-step video guide. So all you have to do is to stay tuned to this channel as we upload these videos. And in this new series that we are starting today, it's totally free. You don't have to pay any money, but you're going to be amazed what we're going to offer you that is totally free. Is loaded, okay, from the UI, the project structuring, the database connection, database querying, sending push notification, verifying users information, creating a new user account, user login, and so lot. Okay, so it's fully loaded. It's a full pack for you, right? So you will learn everything you need to know about developing a professional web app with advanced features in this series. All right. So what you have to do for me is very simple, and is for you to stay tuned to the channel. And if you are seeing this video today, I'm going to say congratulations to you, because there's nowhere else you can get this kind of course that we are going to offer you for free. If you think there's any other channel you can offer this kind of course, please do drop your comment and share such link with me. I would like to visit the channel. Okay, and I believe after this course, when you finish watching this video, this series from start to end, you will be able to develop a professional web application that will earn you good amount of dollar in the next few months. Because everything you need to know, we are going to be showing you and teaching you in this course. So as we said, it's totally free. You don't have to pay anything for it. Okay, but what I require from you: one, your attention; two, your constant visit to the channel so that you can always get up-to-date video that we are uploading. Then the most importantly is you dropping your comments on each of the video, like our video and share it. Okay, drop your comment, let us know what you think about the course. Is there anything else you want us to add to the course, or is there anything else you want us to remove? Do you have issue when you are doing it? Do you have any problem? Just drop your comment, let us know, and our team are always available to respond to you. Okay, so that is the only thing I require from you, please, and I'll be glad if you do that.